It was like this, it broke off, and it has been like this for a long time. I don't see the point to weld this back, because even without this the kickstand is perfectly fine. So what I do is I just grind these two bits, make it nice, paint it a bit, and I'm gonna weld this. This has a hole in it. So the way how I grind it, I don't go like this. I'm not cutting. I just press this down on the top of it. I just went with this one. I went this way because there's no other way I can assess it. So, and just keep moving up and down until it's nice and smooth. Keep checking it. When it's done, it's done. You will see, you will feel it with your finger. There's nothing protruding out anymore. So I used 17 volt, maximum is 20, but 17 was too much, and I know it looks very ugly, so should have used less and should have done a better job with this, but it's still salvageable. So I just need to let it cool down. It's still very hot, and I just need to angle grind it, make it nice. Grinded it down a bit. This time I went with the lowest settings, 15. So try to fill up the small gaps and just finished until here, until it's lasted. I could have done a better job, to be honest, but I'm not going to spend more time with this. This is okay. It's time to spray paint it. I sprayed it twice, so it's ready.